Connect users can now collaborate with our third-party API partners directly from the Farm portal, without using the Fleet Portal Data tab, as they have in the past. Start by selecting the Setup Gear icon from the main page. Click on the Enterprise menu, then the Partnership tab. To create a new third-party API partnership, select the Add button in the bottom right-hand corner. When the window opens, the New Data button will appear next to the Raven option. After clicking on the Data button, a new tab will open showing the current API connections available.